Iceland, land of fire and ice, a phrase synonymous with this Nordic island nation. But what does it really mean? Hey guys, hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today, we're exploring the majestic volcanic landscapes that have earned Iceland its fiery reputation. So join me in this journey as we discover the captivating allure of this land of fire and ice. To truly understand what it means for a place to be both fire and ice, let's start with the obvious. The first part of the puzzle is fire. Iceland is home to some of the most powerful volcanoes in the world. The country sits on top of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a massive underwater mountain range where two tectonic plates are pulling apart. As these plates diverge, molten magma from deep within the Earth's mantle rises to the surface, creating a hotbed of volcanic activity. This geothermal energy isn't just confined to the depths of the Earth. It manifests itself in various forms across the landscape. Hot springs, geysers, and bubbling mud pools paint a surreal picture of a land where the Earth breathes fire. One of the most iconic sights is the Blue Lagoon, a milky blue geothermal spa surrounded by black lava fields. Imagine sinking into the warm embrace of its waters under a sky filled with dancing auroras. The contrast of the icy landscape with the warmth of the lagoon is a true testament to the duality of Iceland. But what about the ice? How does that fit into Iceland's identity? Despite being located just 10 degrees north of the Arctic Circle, Iceland enjoys a relatively mild climate, all thanks to the Gulf Stream, a warm ocean current that washes over its shores. However, don't be fooled by the welcoming temperatures, because Iceland's relationship with ice is deeply intertwined. The word Iceland itself is believed to be a mistranslation. When the island was first settled, around the year 870, it was probably named by an overzealous explorer who found plenty of ice, but not much in the way of warmth. And you can experience this frozen side of Iceland in places like Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier. Imagine standing before its colossal ice formations, feeling the crunch of your boots on the frozen terrain as you explore this pristine white wilderness. Or consider Jokulsarlon, a glacial lake where chunks of ice, some as big as houses, float majestically in the water. You can even take a boat ride here to get up close and personal with these floating giants. These icy landscapes aren't just frozen wastelands, they're teeming with life. Places like the Vatnajökull National Park, home to Europe's largest glacier, showcase the raw beauty of Iceland's icy terrains. Picture yourself amidst the rugged mountains and vast expanses of ice, feeling the crisp air on your face as you explore this frozen wonderland. To fully grasp the significance of Iceland's duality, one must witness the power of its volcanic eruptions. There have been many notable eruptions throughout history, but recent ones like the one at Fagradalsfjall in 2021 offer a chance to observe these natural wonders up close. I traveled to the site to witness the aftermath and the incredible changes it had undergone. Capturing the awe-inspiring lava flows, steam vents, and other volcanic phenomena on camera allowed me to share the raw power of nature with the world. Getting closer to the eruption site was both thrilling and humbling. The ground beneath my feet rumbled with each eruption, a constant reminder of the immense forces at play. The air was filled with the scent of sulfur and the roar of the lava as it cascaded down the mountainside. I felt a sense of adventure mixed with respect for the sheer power of nature. I also had the privilege of interviewing local volcanologists and experts who shared their knowledge and insights into the science behind the eruptions. Their expertise shed light on the complex processes occurring beneath the surface of the Earth, helping me better understand the forces that shaped this dramatic landscape. My exploration of Iceland wouldn't be complete without venturing into the heart of its icy terrain. My journey took me to Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier, where I experienced the raw beauty of Iceland's frozen landscapes firsthand. The highlight of my visit was a boat ride on Jokulsarlon, a glacial lake nestled at the glacier's edge. As I gazed upon the towering icebergs floating serenely in the water, I felt a profound sense of tranquility wash over me. Each iceberg was a unique masterpiece of nature, sculpted by time and the elements into an intricate work of art. The sight of these colossal ice giants, some as large as houses, was both humbling and awe-inspiring. It was a stark reminder of the immense power of nature and the delicate balance that exists in our world. As I drifted further into the lake, the serenity of the surroundings enveloped me. The only sounds were the gentle lapping of the water against the boat and the distant call of birds soaring overhead. It was a moment of pure bliss, a chance to escape the chaos of everyday life and immerse myself in the tranquility of the great outdoors. As I concluded my journey in Iceland, I left with a deeper appreciation for the profound impact that this remarkable island nation has had on me. The experience was nothing short of transformative. Iceland's breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality had woven their magic, leaving an indelible mark on my soul. I hope you enjoyed coming along on this incredible adventure through Iceland's majestic volcanic landscapes. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world's hidden gems. Thanks for watching. Bye.